Hi everybody, this is Taylor Johnson, North Star Group at Keller Williams, and I'm standing in front of our new listing coming very soon, 37 and 39 Appleton Street in Arlington. We are in Arlington Heights specifically, and we are right off of Mass Ave. So we are in super convenient location for commuters. Whether you want to hop on Route 2, get out of the city, you want to hop into the city, you can hop right on Mass Ave. Public transportation is nearby, shops and restaurants, all of that awesome stuff is really right down the street. So super convenient location. But we're gonna give you a sneak peek behind the scenes right now. We're 99% done with construction. So if you're interested in this, you wanna see it before we hit the market, make sure you follow the links below, subscribe, like, and all that fun stuff, and reach out to me. I'm happy to get you in here pre-market. So let's go inside and check it out. Don't mind the mess, as I said, we're not done yet. So what I'm showing you guys today is unit 39. So we come right up the stairs. It's our own private entry, beautiful white oak floors. These are gonna have a nice darker stain on them. It's gonna really pop with the white and the gray walls. It's gonna look gorgeous. So big built-in fireplace, tons of natural light coming from the windows. This is hooked up too, so you can mount a TV, right? And it's open concept too. So this flows through. Right here we have the dining room. Again, lighting, all LED, energy efficient. My favorite thing about this construction and this developer is the woodwork and attention to detail. So he always does a lot of really nice custom woodwork from, you know, that over there, the wainscoting right here. It's gorgeous. Then we have the modern kitchen, right? So quartz countertops, waterfall edge, and then modern European style cabinetry. It's really cool, really sleek. I love it. So right now, in case you can't really visualize it, right, we've got our island, refrigerator goes here, sink, dishwasher, range vent. That's how it all functions. One other cool thing we passed right by is this unit has 2 private outdoor spaces. And so this is the first little one. So great place to have your morning coffee, sit out. And really cool. I love the cedar accent wood out there. It's really nice. It's a good touch. All right. There are 2 bedrooms on this level and 1 full bathroom on this level. And then there's a whole other level upstairs. So right here we've got a bathroom. Mind the mess. It will be all cleaned out, as I said, but it's really a nice space. Tons of storage. We got also more storage right here. All the closets have custom built-ins, which is really cool. So one really good sized bedroom. We have a nice custom built-in closet. And as we head this way, we've got another bedroom right there. Same thing, custom built-in closets on the interior as well. And I know they're not finished yet, but these floors are absolutely gorgeous. These are wide plank white oak. These are really nice, and they're gonna look super sharp when they're stained. One last stop while we're on this first floor is there's the second deck over here. It's a really generous sized deck with great views. So Appleton's up a little bit on a hill, so you can see pretty far. And all of the materials, really nice touch too, is extremely low maintenance. So it's all PVC, Trex decking. You know, this is all fiber cement hardy board, lifetime warranty stuff, PVC. So extremely, like, no maintenance, no painting, no worries, no headaches. We'll come back through and let's go up to the upstairs, which is my favorite part of this whole place. So up here, we have 2 full bathrooms and another 2 full bedrooms. We have the master or the primary bedroom. We have another really large bedroom right here, and we have a laundry room. So check it out, we've got our 3rd bedroom on the right. Again, we're sticking with the trends, custom built-in closets here. That one's not quite done yet, but it will be. Then we come over here between the 2 bedrooms, so you're not running up down the stairs. Very convenient. Laundry room is located right here between the 2 bedrooms. Another full bath. And here, my favorite room in the house, it's the primary bedroom. So huge room, tons and tons of space. I mean, you could fit 2 California king beds in here if you wanted to. Nice big walk-in closet, right? Custom built-ins. But really, the best thing this place has going for it is these windows and the view. But from your master bedroom, massive, quiet, great views, and let's not forget the ensuite. So in here, you know, really beautiful, nice marble tile, you know, matches all the way up the shower wall, the floor. So we've got a standing shower, rain shower head, all the bells and whistles, double vanity, and over here is actually a soaker tub too. So we have a soaker tub, we have the standing shower, double vanity, plenty of space, lots of light with the recessed and natural behind us, but it's nice and high, so we got some privacy. You don't want to be hanging out in the bathroom and everyone can see you. So it's really, really thoughtfully well designed, and both of these units also have 2 deeded parking spots. So you're not worried about parking on the street or dealing with any of that stuff. We've got 2 separate deeded parking spots. You park, you walk right up the back stairs, you're in your lovely brand new unit. Comes with a builder warranty, comes with all the stress-free headaches of no maintenance, no worries, no headaches. So this is really, really top-notch, fantastic, full gut renovation, everything brand new, and extremely energy efficient too. So if you're interested in this place, you want to come see it, like I said, find me in the link below. I'm happy to show it to you. Again, Taylor Johnson, North Star Group at Keller Williams. Thank you, like, subscribe. Check you later.